Good morning, everybody. I am Casey. This is just a MotoVlog. Looks like I forgot to lock up my bike last night. That's a shame. Luckily it's still here. Got some water on the seat. Let's get her nice and warmed up. There we go. Let's get moving. I thought I'd get an early jump on things. It is Labor Day and it is 7 a.m., which is pretty early for me. I'm pretty tired right now. So let's ride around a little bit and wake up. Whew, a little cold this morning. Let's see how donuts are doing this morning. Back to Angel's to get a quick breakfast. Milkshakes, ice cream, donuts, bagels. Ooh. Bam. Breakfast of champions. Okay, just had a really awesome breakfast. 2 donuts, coffee, bang, bing, boom. Now I feel like absolute But hey, you know what? It's happy Not really, I feel like Oh boy, I hope it does not rain. That would suck. I don't have a waterproof case for my GoPro. I just have a case for it. I'd hate to stop recording, but if I need to, I'll have to, even though I don't want to. You know what's crazy? It seems like people don't like my videos, you know, because I have promoted like 2 or 3 of them, and I am getting subscribers from doing that. But at the same time, I'll get like 10 dislikes, 17 likes. I don't know if it's my voice, the way I talk, the way I pronounce things, or if I'm a goober. Probably all those things put together. But it's whatever. What can you do? What would you do for a Klondike bar? Early morning ride through Portland, Oregon. Portland, Oregon, google.com. Have I mentioned before that this channel is for motorcycle enthusiasts, sports enthusiasts, travel enthusiasts, and enthusiast. I want people that are passionate about being passionate. That's what we need. We need people that are passionate about being passionate. Like this guy in front of me. He's going 36 miles an hour in a 20-mile-an-hour zone. This guy's passionate about being passionate. I don't care what you say. And his speed is making me happy. Because going 20 miles an hour on a motorcycle feels as if the equivalent of crawling on the ground. That's what it feels like. It's a sad thing, crawling on the ground. So to help your motorcyclists today, if you're in a 20-mile-an-hour zone, go 15 miles an hour over the speed limit. If you can, and if safe to do so. It's also cold. Very cold this morning. Very, very, very cold. I remember my first time riding upstairs. There was those over there. And I went up it, and I thought it was easy. I thought, like, how hard can riding stairs be? Like, seriously, it can't be that hard. I stopped, like, in the middle of riding, and I'm like, all right, if I get, like, scared, I can stop in the middle of the stairs. It was, like, 12 stairs. I could stop in the middle of the stairs, and I could just put my feet on the stairs and balance. But, nope, I wasn't able to balance, and I rolled backwards. And I just plopped over just like that, and the bike landed on my leg. Like, I like, fell over in slow motion, you know? It was funny. So yeah, if you're ever riding upstairs with a dual sport, have constant, continuous throttle, even if you're scared, because if you stop, you could, like, just, it's weird trying to plant your feet on the stairs. You can't, like, stop and plant your foot on the steps. You're at a, like, awkward, really awkward angle, you know? So you're gonna roll backwards, hopefully roll backwards, and hopefully land safely in, like, dirt and grass, like, slowly. I remember when I fell over too, I had the clutch in because my mind was like, hold the clutch in, hold the clutch in. You know what I mean? Because I wasn't applying throttle, so muscle memory told me to hold the clutch in. My bike, as I figured out after that incident, has a bank angle sensor. So if the bike's on its side for a certain amount of seconds, the bike just shuts off by itself. Then when I turn it upright, the ignition has to cycle before it turns on again. So I noticed some people saw me fall over, like, in slow motion, and were like, what the hell? And I'm just like, start, come on, hurry up. This is embarrassing, please start quickly. And I heard them laughing and stuff. It was embarrassing, you know what I mean? Just falling over on your motorcycle, like going 2 miles an hour is, you know, it's just embarrassing. Oh, I don't know if I want to go on the freeway because it is cold, dude. It's too chilly. I'm not going on the freeway. It's got to be back roads to get to downtown. Let's just go this way down the interstate. Maybe it'll lead us to downtown Portland. I wanted to like ride downtown. Ooh, I should have bundled up more though. It's cold. All right, looks like this is leading to downtown. I see the building straight ahead. Dead ahead, Captain. It's like Dumb and Dumber when they're on the Rocky Mountain. He's like, I gotta pee. Just go, man. He's like, oh, it's actually kind of warm. Birds, birds, birds. Move it! Death by birds. They weren't moving. Oh, you. Chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang loves us too. Hey, hi. Chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang loves us too. Hey, hi. Whoa. Sorry. I almost got hit. Poor guy. I scared the crap out of him. Let's go this way. Look at that view. I gotta look straight ahead, but at the same time, there you go. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. And we have reached it, ladies and gentlemen. We are downtown Portland. How cool. I haven't taken you here yet. I know how badly you want to see downtown Portland, so here we are. How beautiful this is. Look at all the buildings. I'd say, coming from Denver, Colorado, well, I'm from originally California, Whittier, California. That's what's tattooed on my knuckles, if you've noticed that. That this is the coolest downtown I've ever been to. It takes the cake for awesomeness of downtowns, I'd have to say. Let's find a coffee shop, man, to go into and warm up at. Is that Starbucks? Ooh, baby. That is a Starbucks. Let's stop off for some Java. Let's walk around a little bit, though. This is pretty cool. Get a good view that way. Get a good view that way. Cheers. Good Starbucks coffee. Downtown Portland. Alright, let's ride around some more. Oh, Jesus. Is this a one-way? No, two-way. Turn green for daddy. Turn green now. Turn green, laddie. Turn green. We're gonna turn green together. We're gonna turn green. We're gonna turn f***ing green. F***ing green, laddie. Turn. What's happening here, for f***'s sakes? Come the f*** on. Are you just gonna stay the f*** red forever? I'm gonna sit here and run out of gas. Devil light. F*** you. Red light. I know you could see me in the camera right now. I know you're operating this shit. You f***ing dick. Turn it green right now. Turn it to f*** green. You know what? F***ing demon light. Why didn't I just do this in the beginning? There. Alright, we're on the right track. Yeah, baby. We're almost home. There's Irving Park on the right, motherfucker. Yee-hoo-hoo. And we have made it, ladies and gentlemen. This video is done. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. You guys are awesome. Later.